Hello everybody, welcome. Now I was up at Aldi's doing a bit of shopping. I saw this steak and gravy pie, Cresswell. It says new. I don't know whether they are new. I mean, I've never seen them before. You might have seen them. I don't know whether they are new, but it's £1.99p. Now we usually pucker pies we do. We don't usually eat these sort of pies. So I've seen it and I thought, oh, I'll get that. Just to see what it's like. So it says cook 55 minutes in the oven. I mean, it's a pie in it, so it just goes in and just wait for it to cook. There's the instructions if you need to see them. And there's the calories. So let's get it open, we'll get it in the oven and we'll get a taste test. That's it there. It's quite big actually, isn't it? You get a few slices out of that, wouldn't you? So it's just a pie, you know, so. I say I've never seen it before. I don't know if it is new or. I don't know. Serves 4, it says. So I'll stick it in the oven. I've got the oven warming up. So I'll stick it in the oven and we'll get a taste test. So 55 minutes in the oven and then we'll give it a try. Back in a minute. Right, there we go then. It's all done. Wondering what that noise is in the background. I'm just doing a couple of chips with it in the air fryer. That looks quite nice, doesn't it, to be fair? It took an hour. So 55 minutes it says, it took an hour. But it looks nice, I mean. There you go. Boiling enough. Nice and crispy. I say we usually have pucker pies, we do, so. Flaky pastry. So let's give it a cut open and have a look. Get my sharp knife. Oh, hear that? Oh, yes. Okay, that looks nice. Sounds nice. Is it all runny? Has it got loads of gravy in it? See if I can pick it up. There we go. There is loads of gravy in it, look at that. That's quite nice, isn't it? Look at that. Lovely. Very, very nice. Wow. £1.99 I think it was now, I can't remember. £1.90 something. But it rose a bit. I say if you look underneath. It's hot, that is. Let's get that off. When you've got the pastry at the top, that's hot. I've got to put it down, it's too hot. You've got the pastry at the top, it's risen. There's not as much filling in there as I'd have thought. But it's all on the taste, isn't it? It's all on the taste. So let's give it a taste. So say there's loads of gravy in it. Loads. And there's quite a bit of meat in it, to be fair, as well. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. But it's all in the taste, isn't it, together? All in the taste. So let's taste the beef first. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's not. Oh, yes. I like that. Oh, I do like that. That's nice. That's very nice. I don't think you can go wrong with that. I think that's perfect. That's how I like my pies. I think that's perfect. Let's try the. So we usually have pucker. Let's try and get some of the pastry. Nice and flaky. That is superb. Oh wow. Absolutely superb. As I say, steak and gravy pie, it says new. But I don't know whether it's new or not. Say our Aldi's is terrible. Remember when they bought out the McDonald's range, chicken nuggets and that? They had them in our Aldi's for the first time the other day. And they've been out, what, 12 months? So I don't know whether that's new or whether it's been 8 years. And our Aldi's have just got it, I ain't got a clue. But £1.99 I think it was. Well worth the money. That's a thumbs up from me, 100%. Say it feeds 4. I know, I suppose how big a slice you want. But that's brilliant. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat it now. I'm going to do my chips. Go and have my meal. Thanks for watching. If you do like content like this, give us a thumbs up. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. There you go. I'm just going to go and eat it now. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.